Motorcycles Brake Caliper Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global motorcycles brake caliper market size will expand at a CAGR of 5% from 2024 to 2031. North America motorcycles brake caliper market size will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe motorcycles brake caliper market size will grow at a CAGR of 3.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific motorcycles brake caliper market size will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America motorcycles brake caliper grow at a market size will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa motorcycles brake caliper market size will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. The free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.